This is a video of the Smart Carton adjustable cohesive paper pack for long products. In this case we're using actually fishing rods, but it can also be used for things like golf clubs and any other long items. The advantage of this pack, it can be adjusted to the length of the product actually inside it. Thus you don't have to hold so many tubes etc. in stock, and obviously it can be shipped at the optimum price. So what we do is we take our fishing rod, put it onto the cohesive paper, which is actually laminated to the board itself. You can also take some accessories, so in this case, let's say the fishing hooks etc. We take the paper, and the paper then, cohesive paper goes around the product, and you just seal around the product. Now the advantage with this cohesive paper is that it only actually sticks to itself. There's no type of residue left on the actual product. Go all the way down to the end of the rod, and we fold that over like so. So as you can see from this, everything is held perfectly in place. Nothing can move. Obviously that's just the paper. Nothing's going to move. Then what we do is we look for how far the actual length of the product goes down, and we've perforated here the actual product as well. So we bend it the nearest perforation to the length of the product, and then what we do is we simply tear across the end of the actual box itself. So this just tears off, and this will then give you the actual length that you actually need on the box itself, and that bit is then just cast away. What we then do is we peel off, which exposes the actual adhesive strip there that's going to actually seal the box up into the tube, and then we make our box up into the tube. Fold it over like so, and we then bring this completely together. Now what you'll notice here on the one end, we actually have normal flaps, the datum end, and these flaps then fold up, and we then simply take one piece of tape like so. I've got some already here, and we simply lay this over the end of the box, and we laminate it like so. Then what we have a cap. This comes in flat. We take the cap, and the cap then goes over one end of the actual box, obviously the opposite end to where the datum end was on the box. Again, we take a piece of tape and we simply secure that in place like so. And as you can see, label on, the whole thing is ready to ship. Now the concern has obviously been as well, how strong are these perfs? And as you'll see, so I knock that down like so. If you look, extremely strong. Nothing can move inside. This is very strong. Right, now then obviously off it is shipped. Now when the customer gets at the other end, they simply take off the end, like so, take off the tube, and then what we've got is right the way down the middle here, we've got a perforated strip. And what we can then do is we simply peel this strip, this tear strip away. And what that'll do, as you'll see, that exposes the product inside the box. Very easy to do. Just take it all the way down, and then we just open up the product, and there it is. And then what you can do is just tear away the actual paper. The paper tears, as you can see, very easily. The items can then be simply lifted out, like so. Everything is held perfectly in place. There's no need for any type of sharp like scissors or anything like that. Because as you can see, everything, and as you'll also note, none of the cohesive is actually stuck to the product itself. So we just tear it right the way down, like so. And as you'll see, any type of cohesive on the rod. And that is a video of the Smart Carton adjustable pack for long products.